Hi, folks. Just wanted to let you know that according to Samsung, I talked to them, and yeah, it is hard on us because it used to be possible, but Samsung took it out of the system to actually modify the ringtone for specific apps. So if you're trying to set up a new ringtone for whatever app you're using, it is not possible. I talked to support, and they will pass it on. Maybe it's going to come back that we can set up a different ringtone for, let's say, WhatsApp, and then a different one for emails again. But as it is right now, it is not possible.